Ever wondered how our world was shaped by a few brilliant minds? Today, we're diving into the lives of 5 inventors and scientists who revolutionized the way we live. From the man who harnessed electricity to the genius who gave us skyscrapers, these pioneers not only imagined the future, they built it. Let's start our journey with Michael Faraday, the father of electromagnetic induction. Born in 1791, Faraday's formal education was limited, but his curiosity was boundless. He landed a job as a lab assistant to the renowned chemist Humphrey Davy. Faraday's most groundbreaking discovery came in 1831, when he demonstrated electromagnetic induction. He figured out how to create an electric current in a wire simply by moving a magnet near it. This wasn't just a cool science experiment. It was a paradigm shift. Imagine a world without electricity, no lights, no internet, no Netflix. Faraday's discovery paved the way for the electrification of our world. He also made significant strides in electrochemistry and electromagnetism. Faraday wasn't just a brilliant scientist. He was an artist who used the language of mathematics and physics to paint a picture of the invisible forces that govern our universe. Faraday's story is a testament to the power of curiosity, perseverance, and a touch of serendipity. Next time you flick on a light switch, remember Michael Faraday, the self-taught scientist who sparked a revolution. Next, we meet John Dalton, born on September 6, 1766, in a small village in England. His atomic theory changed the very foundation of chemistry and how we understand the material world. Before Dalton, people knew that matter existed, but they didn't really know why or how it was composed. Dalton gave us the ingredients, metaphorically speaking, to understand the composition of matter. He noticed that gases combined in specific ratios by weight, not just randomly, which was a groundbreaking observation. This led him to propose that matter was made up of tiny, indivisible particles called atoms, a revolutionary idea at the time. His theory, published in 1808, stated that each element was composed of unique atoms, and that chemical reactions were simply rearrangements of these atoms, not the creation or destruction of matter. Dalton's atomic theory wasn't just an abstract concept. It had profound implications for understanding the world around us and the nature of chemical reactions. It explained why certain elements always reacted with each other in fixed proportions, a key principle in chemistry. Dalton's work wasn't just confined to the lab. He was a meticulous observer of nature and its many phenomena. He kept detailed meteorological records for over 50 years, contributing significantly to the field of meteorology. Additionally, he investigated color blindness, a condition from which he himself suffered, and his work laid the foundation for future studies. John Dalton's legacy is a testament to the power of observation and logical reasoning, showing how one person's curiosity can change the world. He was a humble schoolteacher who dared to ask profound questions about the nature of reality and sought answers through meticulous research. So the next time you look at the periodic table, remember John Dalton, the man who gave us the building blocks of understanding it all, and whose work continues to influence modern science. Louis Sullivan, reaching for the sky. Louis Sullivan, born on September 3, 1856, is known as the father of skyscrapers. His innovative ideas and designs revolutionized the way we think about urban architecture. Sullivan believed that form follows function, meaning a building's design should reflect its purpose. This philosophy was groundbreaking at the time and continues to influence architects today. He argued that skyscrapers should be tall and slender, with minimal ornamentation to maximize usable space and allow for natural light. This approach not only made buildings more functional, but also more aesthetically pleasing. His designs emphasized verticality, with soaring towers that seemed to touch the sky. These towering structures became symbols of modernity and progress. He incorporated new technologies like steel frame construction and elevators, which allowed buildings to reach unprecedented heights. These innovations were crucial in the development of the modern skyscraper. Sullivan's masterpiece is arguably the Wainwright Building in St. Louis, Missouri, completed in 1891. This building is often cited as one of the first true skyscrapers. Its steel frame, terracotta cladding, and soaring vertical lines became a blueprint for countless skyscrapers that followed. The Wainwright Building set a new standard in architectural design. Sullivan's influence went beyond individual buildings. He inspired a generation of architects, including Frank Lloyd Wright. Wright often credited Sullivan as his mentor and a major influence on his work. Sullivan's vision extended beyond aesthetics. He believed that skyscrapers could be symbols of progress and innovation. His ideas helped shape the modern cityscape. Today, as we marvel at the towering skylines of cities around the world, we're witnessing Louis Sullivan's legacy in action. His vision continues to inspire architects and city planners. So, the next time you're dwarfed by a skyscraper, take a moment to appreciate the vision of Louis Sullivan, the architect who taught us to reach for the sky. His contributions have left an indelible mark on our urban landscapes. George Eastman. Capturing moments in time. On September 4, 1854, George Eastman was born. His inventions brought photography out of the studio and into the hands of the public. Eastman was fascinated by photography, but frustrated by its complexity. In the late 1800s, taking a picture involved bulky equipment and toxic chemicals. Eastman envisioned a simpler, more accessible way to capture memories. His breakthrough came in 1888 with the introduction of the Kodak camera. It was lightweight, easy to use, and affordable. Eastman's slogan was, "You press the button, we do the rest." The Kodak camera democratized photography, allowing everyday people to document their lives. Eastman also revolutionized film development with flexible roll film, making cameras smaller and easier to use. Photography became a popular hobby, a new form of artistic expression, and a powerful tool for documenting history. George Eastman's legacy is a reminder that innovation often lies in simplification. So the next time you snap a selfie, remember George Eastman, the man who made photography a part of everyday life. John McCarthy, father of artificial intelligence. Born on September 4, 1927, John McCarthy is one of the founding fathers of artificial intelligence. His work laid the groundwork for what we now consider modern AI. He coined the term artificial intelligence and developed Lisp, a programming language vital to AI research. Lisp became a fundamental tool for AI researchers, enabling them to explore new frontiers in machine learning and symbolic processing. When we talk about AI today, we're talking about self-driving cars, virtual assistants, and algorithms that seem to know us better than we know ourselves. These advancements are a direct result of the pioneering work done by McCarthy and his contemporaries. But back in the 1950s, when McCarthy first coined the term, it was a radical concept. The idea of machines possessing intelligence was almost science fiction. McCarthy envisioned machines that could think, learn, and solve problems like humans. He believed that with the right programming, machines could exhibit behaviors that were once thought to be uniquely human. In 1956, McCarthy organized the Dartmouth Summer Research Project on Artificial Intelligence, considered the birthplace of AI as a field of study. This event brought together some of the brightest minds in computer science to discuss and develop the foundations of AI. McCarthy's contributions to AI were both conceptual and practical. He not only theorized about intelligent machines, but also created the tools and languages necessary to build them. He developed the Lisp programming language, which became a cornerstone of AI research. Lisp's ability to handle symbolic information made it ideal for AI applications. Lisp allowed researchers to create programs that could process symbolic information, learn from data, and make decisions. This was a significant leap forward in the development of intelligent systems. McCarthy championed the idea of common sense in AI, believing that machines need to understand the world in a way similar to humans. He argued that for AI to be truly intelligent, it must possess a form of common sense reasoning. His vision of AI wasn't limited to just mimicking human intelligence. He believed AI had the potential to surpass human capabilities. McCarthy foresaw a future where machines could perform tasks beyond human ability. John McCarthy's legacy is still being written. His ideas continue to influence the field of AI, inspiring new generations of researchers and developers. We're living in an era increasingly shaped by AI, from the algorithms that recommend your next favorite song to the self-driving cars that are poised to revolutionize transportation. The impact of McCarthy's work is evident in our daily lives, and it all started with a spark of imagination. McCarthy's vision and creativity set the stage for the incredible advancements we see today. So, the next time you interact with a virtual assistant, remember John McCarthy, the man who dared to dream of intelligent machines. His pioneering work continues to shape our world in profound ways. These 5 visionaries born in September didn't just change their fields, they changed the world. Their work continues to influence our lives in countless ways, from the electricity that powers our homes to the skyscrapers that define our cities, and even the AI that's shaping our future. Their legacies are a reminder that a single idea, sparked by curiosity and determination, can transform the world. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fascinating stories about history, inventions, technology, and the secrets that shape our world.